Welcome to Wellington City, New Zealand's capital and a place where ideas, people and the sea meet in close quarters. Wrapped around a natural harbour and climbing quickly into green hills, Wellington City is compact, energetic and easy to explore. Begin the day on the water with a harbour tour across Te Wanganui-Atara. Cruise smoothly aboard a fully electric ferry, learning how Wellington became the nation's capital while enjoying a quiet, low-impact journey across the harbour. Clean, calm, and beautifully scenic. Step back onto land, and you'll feel the city's inventive spirit straight away. Wellington thrives on creativity and hands-on experiences. Along the waterfront, life slows and opens up. This long, open promenade stretches from the railway station to Oriental Bay and beyond. A shared space for walking, cycling, running, and simply watching the city move. Explore on two wheels. Choose an electric or regular bike and follow the curve of the coastline, riding past bays, marinas, and coastal streets where the city meets the sea. For a change in perspective, make your way up to Mount Victoria Lookout. From the top, the city reveals itself in full. Sweeping harbour curves, layered city streets, and Cook Strait stretching toward the horizon. Back at street level, challenge yourself with an escape room experience where clever puzzles and immersive scenarios test your teamwork and problem-solving skills. A burst of energy in the heart of the city. Wellington's cultural heart beats at ground level. Step inside Museum of New Zealand, Te Papa Tongarewa, where New Zealand's stories are told through bold design, interactive exhibits, and powerful perspectives. From there, wander Cuba Street, a creative corridor filled with street performers, murals, vintage stores, and independent cafes that define the city's personality. Wellington is also deeply connected to film and storytelling. This is where much of The Lord of the Rings was crafted, with studios like Weta Workshop shaping worlds that reached global screens. Personal, creative, and full of contrast, Wellington City delivers a day that flows effortlessly. From water to streets, from ideas to landscapes, and from energy to ease. Book your next adventure now at seeanddo.co.nz.